Greetings. This is a CyberEye broadcast updating you on the latest and greatest developments in the world of science and technology. At its current state, gesture control is rudimentary at best. But a San Francisco-based startup called Leap Motion has just announced a new 3D motion control system that it claims is 200 times more accurate than anything else on the market, and it's set to cost just $70. The system is built on a small USB input device and a lot of sophisticated software. For the price, users will be able to manipulate their machines with the kinds of gestures that are becoming more and more ubiquitous thanks to the explosion in touchscreen technologies, things like pinch to zoom, swiping between screens, or scrolling with a flick of a finger. The difference is that the user touches nothing. Leap 3D creates a 4 cubic foot interaction space in front of any computer that is more responsive than either a touchscreen or a mouse, and offers increased capacity for control by adding a Z-axis to the touchscreen's X and Y axes. In contrast to the Kinect, which Microsoft sought to keep under its own proprietary control, Leap Motion is already reaching out to developers to hack its system. Company execs see applications for their interface upgrade across the board, from engineering and architecture to medicine to simple web browsing. The company envisions an app store as well, where users can purchase software designed around its system to use on their desktops. Michael Buchwald, Leap Motion CEO, explained, "We want there to be world-changing applications that fundamentally transform how people interact with their operating system or browse the web. The goal is to fundamentally transform how people interact with computers and to do so in the same way that the mouse did, which means that the transformation affects everyone, both from the most basic use case all the way up to the most advanced use cases you can imagine for computing technology." Eventually, the company plans to send out between 15,000 and 20,000 dev kits, with applications being accepted starting now. That's a lot of developer kits and a lot of potential applications. While Kinect upset the world's interest in gesture control, it's always been relatively clunky. Whether it's Leap Motion or some other manufacturer that finally releases a fine-grained system to market, at least this evidence suggests that it won't be long before it's actually useful. Update complete.